Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Brother LX3817G sewing machine. It's lightweight and full size. It's an essential model. I bought this in Walmart for around $88. An essential model. It's supposed to be sort of like a basic sewing machine. Right here on the side, it says that it has 17 stitches. It has 4 sewing feet included, 4-step auto size buttonhole. This is our model here. It says every day on the go, sewing and mending. It includes every starting essential. It has an easy to follow threading diagram. So it means that it doesn't have the automatic needle threader like some sewing machines come with. So this you have to do it manually. I also have another sewing machine. It's called the Brother CE1125PRW. It's the Project Runway Edition sewing machine. That one is also a basic sewing machine, but it has automatic threading and it has like around 100 built-in stitches, while this one has 17 stitches. On my channel, I also have a playlist named Sewing. I upload videos relating to the Project Runway sewing machine that I have. You can see some unboxing videos there. You can see the threading videos. You can also see some projects that I have made using the sewing machine. You can also click on the I button up there and it will take you to the playlist. The sewing machine comes with 4 different sewing feet. It has the zigzag, which is already on the presser foot, the buttonhole foot. It has an A on top here, your zipper foot, and the button sewing foot. This one has the I and this one has an M. It has a screwdriver, your needle set. It comes with 3 pieces and you get 4 bobbins. It says here that one is already on the machine. Your darning plate and your foot controller. It has upper thread tension control dial. It has free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, a quick set drop-in top bobbin, and it has a super bright LED work area, easy bobbin winder, and easy stitch selector. It has 17 stitches in total, and your reverse sewing lever. Without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. And here we are. This doesn't weigh that much. It weighs about 8.4 pounds. I was searching and the Project Runway sewing machine weighs around 15 pounds. So that's like a 6 or 7 pound difference. Now I know why they call this a basic, quote unquote, basic sewing machine, because it doesn't weigh that much. It's actually perfect if you want to take it on road trips. Here we have the accessories that it comes with. Here we have our different sewing feet. This is the buttonhole. It has the A right there. This is your sewing buttonhole foot. It has the M right there. This is how the bottom looks like. This is your zipper foot. There's like an eye where the metal piece is. You can kind of see it right there. There's your eye. This is how it looks like. This is the top. And this is the bottom. The other foot, the basic sewing foot, is on your machine. You have your bobbins. There's 4 included. The other one is also on the sewing machine. Your little screwdriver. Your extra sewing needles. There's 3 of them, but there's also the 4th one on the machine. And this is the darning plate. This is how the bottom looks like. The top. Here we have the manuals that it comes with. Your included accessories in English and in Spanish. The operating manual. This is how the top of the machine looks like. It has your basic threading diagram. This is the front of the machine. To take the cardboard out of the machine, you can lift the white level here. That brings up your sewing foot. Your bobbin is right there. It has white thread. And your regular basic sewing foot. And your needle. And we cannot forget our foot. This is how you control the machine. You put this on the side. That will be it for this video. I cannot wait to start using this machine regularly. I will do a threading video both in English and in Spanish, so make sure to look out for those videos. Like I said, I have the playlist fully dedicated to sewing videos using my Project Runway sewing machine. It's also by the Brother brand. And like I always say, my videos are not sponsored. I bought this by myself in Walmart. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, everyone.